Hey guys, it's Angela. I ordered some more paints from Mixedmediagirl, and this time I decided I would do an unboxing for you guys. So, I managed to hold on to the box and not open it when it arrived. Thankfully, I wasn't home when it showed up, but she puts these cute little stickers on that warning, opening this package may cause extreme happiness. Which I think is super cute. But yeah, so literally had not opened it at all. So yeah, just gonna open it up and show you some of the goodies that I got. So just a little precursor information. I purchased two things. I purchased a set called In the Navy, and I purchased a mystery pack. Previously, I had purchased 4 colors that I got to pick my own, and then I had also purchased a pre-mixed pouring paint pack, which was cool colors. So some of the colors that I got are dupes, and I'm going to show you which ones those are as we go through. So here's the invoice so that you can kind of see what I got this time. She was running a Labor Day sale. So In the Navy and the Mini Mystery. The cool pack that I paid, that I bought before, was $29. And then the set of 4 paints that I got before, they were 8 ounces and they were 38. Comes with a little explanation about her mystery paints and her little business card, which is cool. I have a few of those. The little QR code. And she packages everything really well, so like nothing gets jostled, everything is individually wrapped and nice and fancy. So these are the 8-ounce bottles, and these are part of the In the Navy set. So 2 of these colors are new to me, and 2 of these colors are duplicates of ones that I already had. So this is called Deep Sea, nice dark blue, really pretty, I love it. And then there's just a plain white. Can never have enough white paint, in my opinion. White and black, like staples. And then Electric Lime. Very Seattle Seahawks colors right there. And then this one actually ended up being a dupe, which I had picked out before on my own. So this is that Fairy Dreams, the rose gold metallic. This is the one that does tend to separate if you let it sit for like a week. So this is my other one that has been sitting for about a week. You can see how it's separated, but you give it a little shake and it's fine. I wouldn't paint with it right away, but give it a shake, and then, a little bit later, go ahead and paint with it. It's all good. So this is the In the Navy set. Really fun colors. So then the rest of the paints that are in here are part of the mystery package. So they were 10 colors, 10? 8. I need to count. 10 colors that were, I didn't know what they were going to be. They had the potential to be either unreleased or colors that were some of her favorites. Maybe some that might have been like slightly off, I think. I don't know, I could be reading into that too, so I should probably reread my paper, but you can pause and zoom in on that piece of paper if you want to read more about it. So, and if I didn't say at the beginning of this video, Hashtag not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. Like I said, she was having a sale. So this first one, Malibu Sky, is a duplicate. This came in the cool pack. So I did already have this color, but no worries. The next one is, oh crap, what was the name of that one? That one was Electric Purple. Went by so fast. So this one is called Black Tie Affair. Really pretty. It's got some gold tint to it, like kind of gold flakes almost, or gold pearlescent. Reminds me a lot of Arteza Fancy Black. Really pretty. Really like that one a lot. And this next one is called Metallic Plum, which is really pretty. And I'm going to show it next to a couple of the other purples that I have. One of them is that metallic, what is that one? Metallic Mixed Berry, and then also Amethyst. So that's Amethyst, Metallic Purple, and Metallic Mixed Berry. So it's nice, a nice darker version of the three. So I really like that. And then the last one is called Pearl Pink. Very pretty pearlescent pastel baby pink. Really pretty. So first package was done. Out of the 5, I only had 1 dupe. And then as I was opening this one up, I could see that I had 2 that I already had in my stash. So it's a chance you take when you order mystery packages. So that's, you know, nothing that Mixedmediagirl can control. So I was just kind of bummed because I like trying out new colors, but you can never have too much paint, and I do like blues, so you know, there are 3 colors that I really like. So the first 2 that are the duplicates, this is that Fairy Spit, which is that like goldish blue iridescent, which is a really pretty color. And the other one is Powder Blue. And again, those 3 blues came from the Cool Pack. So then the next one is Rust, which is a really cool, not quite orange, not quite red. It really is a good rusty color. Very good for fall. You know, these 3 colors really were nice on the warm scale. This one is Cardinal Red. Really nice deep red. It's almost like a burgundy kind of tint to it. Really, really pretty. Very warm. And then the last one is Golden Sun, which looks like she had a sticker over it, so maybe it was meant to be gold at first, but it might have came out a little too yellow. But still a really pretty color. And I ended up using it in a pour after this. I was gonna put it at the end of this video, but since this is turning out to be about 9 minutes long, I think I'm gonna save my painting for the next time. So that was my little mini unboxing of Mixedmediagirl paints. I mean, overall, like, the quality of her paints were really, really awesome. So, well worth it if you want to spend your pennies there. And, yeah, again, not sponsored, paid for with my own money. Yeah. So I'll leave you with just a little sneak peek of the pour that I did with some of these paints. Video will be coming up for that next. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.